What is up, YouTube family? These are my actual seeing glasses. Like, I can't see from far away, but I'm gonna have to take them off because you could see the light and the reflection of the lenses. Anyways, welcome back. I have for you guys this super simple back to school look. It's so simple, you guys are gonna be shook. You're gonna be like, what? I could look that good? That easily? Like, damn. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. I know I don't usually talk skin prep with you guys, but I wanted to let you guys in on a couple of little secrets today. So today I used the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator, which looks like this. This has been heaven sent. It is so moisturizing. It lasts a really long time and it's great for sensitive skin. You guys know I get irritated really easily, and this is honestly, this is great. It doesn't burn, so it's good for my sensitive skin. If you know me, you also know that I think that primer is a scam, and I usually don't use primer. But today I did use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I applied this all over my face except my nose and my smile lines, and I'll tell you guys why. So on my smile lines, to make my foundation last longer, I used the NYX Glitter Primer as a primer. I applied it on my nose and my smile lines. This is supposed to help your foundation from breaking apart, and it's also really good if you wear glasses, which I do. And this is a trick I actually learned from Makeup for Women of Color from Twitter. So I'm gonna go into my iluvsarahii Dose of Colors collab palette, and I'm gonna use Loungy, which is this peachy shade, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. So now with my finger, I'm gonna go into Sun Glow and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. Now I'm just gonna blend the edges out. So I did my lashes off camera. I got these off of AliExpress. I honestly don't remember the name. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm gonna go into foundation now, and for foundation I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in the shade NC42. For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in medium. I'm now going to bake my face with the Beauty Bakery Flour Better Not Bitter Yellow Setting Powder. Now I'm going to line my lower lash line with the NYX retractable liner in white. Now I'm going to bronze up with my NYX bronzer and my Anastasia bronzer. You guys know I use these two in every video, nothing new. I'm gonna go into the Tarte Party Blush. Now going into the Ebates and Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, I'm going to use Glow Getter, which is this rose gold shade. I'm going to use that as my highlighter on the highest points of my cheekbones, my nose, my inner corner highlight, and my brow bone highlight. Now I'm going to go into my Mineralized Skin Finish Natural Powder from MAC in the shade Medium Tan. We want to make sure our makeup lasts the entire school day, so we're going to go into the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. So now I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner. Now I'm going to go into Exposed by Kylie Coametics. So that is it for this back to school tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that you guys will have an amazing school year and that you'll all pass. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.